Hey, what's up everybody? How we doing? Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts Academy out of Dolores, Colorado. Today I'm joined by Mr. Judah and Mr. Abe, and we are going to be going over your orange belt hand strikes, most specifically the elbows that you will need to move on to your purple belt. So how we do these moves, we're going to move into our horse stance here. And you're going to start by demonstrating a good horse stance, and then you're going to move up into your guard position. Now the first elbow is a rear elbow to the body. So we're just going to fire in, and when you're doing this move, you want to try and make sure that this hand is solid, right up against your ribs, kind of like you're stabbing yourself in the ribs with an ice pick. You want to make sure that you get a good range of motion, and then you're always going to come back to your guard, and we're going to go to the left. Again, really focusing on this hand being here, but also you notice my helpers here, they're really turning their head to look at their opponent. So you want to make sure that you're looking at that target. And let's just go ahead and walk them through about 10 of them. Ready and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go ahead and relax, fellas. So when you guys are going through these motions, when you guys are working through your practice papers, it's really important that you don't move too quickly. A lot of times what happens to us is we do the move and we're here and we just want to really fast. Okay? What I want you to do, hit your horse stance, boys. Boom. Again, nice, and about a medium speed, hit those 10. Just make sure that the move looks nice and clean and crisp. We're not in a hurry, okay? We're not trying to be the fastest one in the studio. We're just trying to make the moves look nice. Okay, relax stance. So that is rear elbow to the body. Now our next elbow is going to be rear elbow over the shoulder. It's going to be very similar. We do all 4 of these elbows from our horse stance. Hit your horse stance, fellas. Boom. Always hit double readies first, and then bring it up into your guard. Now that rear elbow over the shoulder, instead of driving back, just like Abe showed us, we're gonna go up over the shoulder. It's gonna take on more of a round motion here because we need to clear whatever obstacles might be in our way. So we're just trying to reach, and because this one is going to a high target, it doesn't need to be as reinforced as the rear elbow to the body. And again, I want more of a circular motion here. Okay, so a lot of people when they do this move, they like to go straight back. Really what I want you to think about is going up and over and finding your target, getting just a little bit more range of motion for your power. Go ahead and relax, fellas. So those 2 rear elbows specifically for somebody behind us. Now the next one is going to be the obscure elbow. This one we're going to combine 2 moves into one. We're going to combine a hammer fist and then a rear rising elbow. And while these boys are gonna face you, I'm gonna turn sideways so that you see a little bit of the detail. Ready, hit your horse stance, fellas. Boom, hands up. So when we do this move, we're gonna start off with our right hand. And I'm gonna demonstrate all of these with my right hand since I'm facing the camera. We're gonna fire our hammer fist, make sure that it goes behind us, all right? Because the person is in back of us, so we've gotta clear ourselves. This is gonna strike right into the groin. Then from here, without bending over, don't bend over, don't sacrifice your posture. You need to get that range of motion in your shoulder to bring this elbow up into the solar plexus right here. Then we come back to our guard. So do a couple on those right and left, boys, but again, hammer into the groin, elbow up. And again, always clearing, making sure that leg gets cleared so that we actually strike into the groin and bring it up into the solar plexus. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So that is what we call the obscure elbow. Now finally we have our side elbow. Now this is fun because the way we do this side elbow, if Abe grabs my shoulder here, okay, and grab like you need it, Abe, yeah, get a hold of that gi, okay? This move right here is a grab release. So if he's got me, boom, then I'm gonna go ahead and move into it. Now, the way that we practice out of our horse stance. Hit your horse stance, fellas. Boom, always hit there, and then bring those hands up. But what I'm really looking for is I want a good reach without losing your horse stance. I want you to twist at the torso and then drive that elbow back. Twist those shoulders and drive. Twist, drive. Twist, drive. Twist, drive. Just nice and easy. And when you're doing this, your target is the back portion of your elbow right here. Don't hit your opponent with your tricep. It's a really good way to mess up a really good elbow. So we're just moving 1 and 2. All right, relax stance, fellas. So those are the hand strikes that you're gonna need to advance from your orange to your purple belt in our system. And make sure that if you guys have any questions, please leave some in some comments. Please let me know what you guys wanna see on this channel. And until then, give me a nice asai and a right guard stance. Ready? Asai!